you guys? Anyways, I just got home from work and I'm about to open this Amazon package. So the first thing I got, ooh, that garbage thing. Oh, this thing is heavy. So I purchased this book. It's called The Finer Things. It's timeless furniture, textiles, and details. I bought it because of the look, the aesthetic. It's really cute. So a little backstory. When I was at, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. You know what? That's all God. Let me tell you what happened. So while I was at work, I got a notification that my package was delivered. And you know what Amazon does now? They make the drivers take a picture of it. So I looked at the picture, I'm like, oh, that's not my door, because clearly there's no home sweet home mat and that door had nothing. So I knew for a fact it wasn't mine or at my door. But the problem is, in my community, these Amazon drivers do not ever, let me not say ever, for 90% of the time, your thing gets delivered at the wrong address. It's very, very common here. Sorry, y'all, I'm stressed. It's very common here for them to deliver at the wrong address, and then you're just stuck not having it. So what I did was I called Amazon and I told them, hey, this happens all the time here. Like, I know people who write on cause where we live, we have an app, like I have a portal page. There's people that write on the wall every day. Hey, has anybody seen my package? Hey, anybody seen my package? It happens all the time, every day, every week, never stop. So I was really pissed because I'm thinking, my thing is this. What if I ordered something that's a gift for somebody and they're moving away? What if it was something for my wedding? What if it was something for my whoever? It doesn't matter who it's for or what it is. It could be something as small as a box of garbage bags, up to something that's sentimental to give to somebody else, up to something that's for class. But my problem is the Amazon drivers. It's not Amazon, it's the drivers. Ever since Amazon expanded and got these little sprinters, these people don't know how to act. They are lazy. They don't. I get packages sometimes that's for $307 and I live on the first floor. How? You don't want to go up the stairs? Then why did you choose this job? That's my biggest problem with people in America. They choose jobs that they hate, not that they have to pick. They choose jobs that they hate and then they don't do it well. So long story short, the lady on the phone sent me to the logistics team and I told them I want to specifically report that driver because this happens in my community specifically too often to where people are losing their stuff. What if that was the last one, which is that what happened, because one of the things I ordered in here, she told me she's gonna have to issue me a refund for that one item because it's sold out. Inconvenience, that's messed up. You got my hopes up. And then the other one they sent me, and they're sending me a new one that's coming in tomorrow. So something just kept telling me, check my floor when I get home. So I literally just pulled up, and as I'm walking in, I look at the neighbors, and then boom, sure enough, there's my package in front of their door. All you had to do, and first of all, this is what pissed me off. In order to get to their door, you had to pass my door. Their number ends with 8, mine's ends with 7. You pass 7 to get to 8. And you supposed to be at 7? Why you ain't just check again? Like, I hate that. And then they be pulling up here, music blasting in their little sprinters and stuff. They be just doing the most. Anyway, so yeah, I got this book. It's called The Finer Things. It's really cute. It's super heavy. It's really thick. I love it. It's gonna go perfectly with my decor. It has all these beautiful, beautiful things, from floors to ceilings to so much inspiration. I'm actually gonna flip through this. Look at that. Just a lot of cute stuff. So I got this specifically for this area. So I got it specifically for this area because it's gonna go perfectly on here. And just like that. Boom. Look at that. So cute. So this is the book on the shelf. I think it looks stunning. It's called The Finer Things. I've been seeing it quite often on YouTube, so I had to get it. Really cute. So I'm actually still thinking about moving this over here. I just haven't decided yet, but we will see. So Amazon messed up my package order and everything. I got a refund for the other thing, which is now here, and then I got the second book coming. So hey, that's y'all lost. Y'all did that to yourselves. That's what y'all get. So now I have 2 books, which is perfect because I really want to put one on the coffee table. I'm gonna get like a book stand, and I'm gonna put one that's open on the coffee table right here. That's perfect. All right, anyways, let's open the next package. It's for my bathroom, I believe. Bathroom, I told you guys, maybe, I don't know if you're gonna see it in this vlog, but I want to transform my bathroom into a spa. I want my bathroom to have the spa-like feel. So my theme is gonna be all white with hints of green, because I think green symbolizes like spa life. So we have this. It's a three-part canvas. 1, 2, and 3. And I can't wait to put it up. I actually think I'm gonna put it up right now because I'm feeling very, you know, spontaneous. So let's go do that. I might go to Burlington to go look for a new shower curtain so I can complete my bathroom. All right, so this is what they look like. These are super cute. I don't think all 3 will fit. If anything, I will put one on this wall and then put the other 2 up here. I think that'll be fine. I like this one the best, so I think I might put this one right here. Yeah, I'll probably put this one here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really nice. Put that one there and then the other 2 up there. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, they came with their own thumbtacks. Let's see if I can figure out how to put them in. Yeah, see, so it's a little different. I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I'm not sure how that works, so I'm gonna use regular thumbtacks. These regular thumbtacks work just as fine. Cute! Look at that, easy. Easy, easy. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's go ahead and do these over here. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, let's do the first one. So the only thing about using thumbtacks, sometimes they make things wiggle. Okay. All right, so cute. I like it. I think it's cute. Once I get a new curtain set, it's all gonna come together. I have my little plant up here. Got that thing up there. I like it. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to just get new these. I'm gonna get new floor mats as well, but I'm not in a rush. But I definitely am. Guys, it's the next day and I'm just getting home from work a couple hours ago. And yeah, we are about to put together my graduation frame. All right, so this is the frame. This is for the tassel, this is for the diploma, and that's for a picture. So we're gonna go ahead and put everything up in here.
2 times on the beat, man.
Okay, so here's the tassel, really cute. I like that, that's really pretty. I got this set from Burlington, by the way. I believe it was $16. Yeah, it was $16.99. So now we need to decide what picture. I think I already know. I think I'm gonna do the blue one because it matches the blue on the tassel. This one has the most blue, so I think I'm gonna do that to match it. And it looks the prettiest. I also have these. I'm gonna give these to my parents. Give this one probably to my goddad, my mom and dad. We'll see. All right, so these are the three. Let me take a picture. Show you guys first. So we have our diploma, we have our photo, and then we have our tassel. The tassel was worth the hassle. And you know what I just noticed? This is marble, like a marble type pattern. Matches perfectly up in here. So I'm about to so somebody could not decide which one we should get. I don't know, man. It's gonna be tough.
It's tough, yeah. I don't know if that light is kind of messing up how it actually looks. It's gray and...
Well, you put it this way then.
Can you see?
So it's clear. That's good right now.
Yeah.
And then we have this one, which is the one I picked last week. But now we might change it to this. You gotta see which one looks better on the curtains. So this is the curtain. I don't know if I ever showed you guys. This is the curtain my mom made, sewn together for me. It's suede silver curtains. And they are super dope.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah, my mom is the goat. She made these for me. And yeah, it's gonna bring the whole living room together. I like how it's lighter than the couch. I didn't even realize that this brings out the color of the whole living room. Super soft, super nice, easy to clean, washable. This is why I need those lights, because sometimes at night it's hard to get up. Good call, babe.
That joint is crushing, bro. One. We'll just hold it up. See if you like it. My point, because one is not going to fit it with across. And I was saying that you have two. You know.
Today's May 26th, so I really want to get my full apartment tour up by June. I'm only missing a few things. The rug is coming in June 2nd. New rug. So I gotta get rid of this black table. I'm just gonna sell it on Marketplace along with the rug. And I have a few other little knickknacks like that black mirror over there. I don't need that. So I'm gonna sell that maybe like $10 or something. Just selling a little bit of things that I don't need. I'm kind of wondering, maybe should I get, you know how I got that floating light? I might get one over here for my graduation pictures. I think that would be dope. I'm gonna get a silver one. And look at these pillows. I was gonna get pillow covers actually. I wish it was an actual pillow, but I think this would go really nice in the living room. There we go. It's like gold lined and then marble. I'm probably gonna end up getting those when I do my tour, like a couple of those, like maybe 2. Well, we got one thing up. Thank you, babe. I appreciate you. I get all this for free. Oh, this is so pretty.
You like it?
Yes. Oh, that is dope. Dang. Get out of here. That is so cute. They just make it so airy in here. All right, you guys, so you see what it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye to the vlog.
Working hard. Make sure you guys follow him at DJ TV Mounts. He's a TV master in South Florida, not in Palm Beach, in South Florida.
Not just Palm Beach.
Yeah.
Not just the city.
No, not just the city. You do Wellington, Lake Worth, Palm City, St. Lucie County, Florida. Soon traveling out to Georgia. Don't play with him. Don't play. Make sure y'all follow. Obviously, his stuff is right here on the screen. All right, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.